keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Standard 5, Subject English Poetry, Topic Lesson number 29, A Lark. Today, let us learn a poem, A Lark, written by Lawrence Alma Tedema. He was a great poet and a famous Dutch painter. You know, students, a poet is a person who writes poem. In this poem, the poet is talking to the lark bird and the goldfish. Let us see what he has to ask the lark bird and the goldfish. Let us read and understand the poem. A lark. Lark bird, soaring high. Are you never weary? When you reach the empty sky, are the clouds not dreary? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? Lark bird, soaring high, are you never weary? When you reach the empty sky, are the clouds not dreary? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? The poet asks the lark, which is flying high in the sky, whether it is never tired or exhausted. He also asks the bird, don't you find the clouds very boring? Every day you are with the clouds. Is it not boring? The poet wonders if it doesn't sometimes wish to be a silent goldfish in the sea. Let us learn the meaning of some new words. Soaring high means flying high in the air. Weary, very tired. Dreary, dull and boring. Long to, badly wish to do something. In the second stanza, the poet is asking some questions to the goldfish. Let us see what he has to ask the goldfish. Goldfish, goldfish, diving deep, are you never sad, say? When you feel the cold waves creep, are you really glad, say? Don't you sometimes long to sing and be a lark bird on the wing? Goldfish, goldfish, diving deep, are you never sad, say? When you feel the cold waves creep, are you really glad, say? Don't you sometimes long to sing and be a lark bird on the wing? After talking to the lark bird, the poet talks to the goldfish. What do the goldfish do? It dives deep into the sea. He looks at the diving goldfish and asks, are you really happy here in the cold water? Don't you feel cold? Are you really happy here? Are you really happy when the cold waves creeping towards you? At last, he asked the goldfish if it doesn't long to sing like a larkbird and to fly like the bird. In this poem, the poet enjoys the company of the larkbird and the goldfish. He tries to talk to them. He asks the larkbird, doesn't it wish to be a goldfish? He also asks the goldfish, doesn't it wish to fly and sing like a larkbird? Meanings are creep means move slowly and quietly, on the wings means flying. Students, in this poem, the poet is asking so many questions to the larkbird and the goldfish. But I have a question for you all. Do you want to be a larkbird or a goldfish? If you were a larkbird, what would you do? Write the answer in 5 lines. Thank you and see you soon.